In this video, I'll show you how to see your YouTube Wrapped for 2025. It's going to be a step-by-step video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is really for educational purposes only. So open up your Chrome. Make sure you're currently signed into the account you love to check the wrap on. So I'm currently signed in on How To Do. So come on to this search, type in youtube.com/recap. So this is it. So this is what is going to come out for you. So just tap on the open YouTube. It's going to take you to your YouTube app, and you're going to be able to see your full recap. Then if you're on your Android, because I'm currently on my iPhone, I'm going to show you what is going to work out well for you. So click on this three-dotted icon, because if you're using your Android, request it to be on desktop site. Request it to be on desktop site. You can be able to see your own recap once you request it. So if you click on the iPhone, I'm going to click on the iPhone on. So this is it. So I'm going to still do this as well. So it takes small time for it to actually open up if you're using your iPhone. But if you're using your Android, it's going to show up immediately once you request to desktop site. So if you open up your YouTube, it's going to take small time before it's going to show up. But it's going to actually work out well for you. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.